You owe it to yourself and to your motorcycle to get the best work done on your bike. Here at Greg's Custom Cycles, we're famous for our custom-built motorcycles and loved for our one-on-one personal customer service. We work on all makes and models of motorcycles, from complete rebuilds and custom in-house manufacturing to repairs, and even offer services such as oil changes and tune-ups. You and your motorcycle deserve the best, and our professional staff will guarantee you receive it. And here at Greg's Custom Cycles, we deliver nothing less than perfection.
Come on down to Greg's, your one-stop shop for all your motorcycle needs.